In this video, we will see how to check and manage your time on Facebook so that you can curb time spent using Facebook constantly. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Click and open your Facebook app on your phone. And next, we need to click the menu in the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll to the bottom, click Settings and Privacy tab. And next, we need to click Time Spent on Facebook tab. The next screen, you can see the time spent by you on Facebook over the past 7 days. To manage your time on Facebook, you can set daily time reminder here, where Facebook will remind you after you used the amount of time you spent on the platform. If someone is addicted to using Facebook constantly and is having an issue with it, time reminder is a great option. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.